My name is Vimlesh Kumar, and I will show a new application React Casper client. So I have a application here, shortcut, double click, and the application will be started. It has two sections. One is server, and second is client. So when client starts, it's automatically opens in Google Chrome, and this is client only, means designer part, and we have to open a uh, Kaspersky server for output. So output will be shown here in the Kaspersky screen consumer. It is known as screen consumer. Now I will refresh media so that all the media will be available from the Kaspersky server. Now suppose we have to show a simple caption. I will draw a rectangle and I will take a this much, and when I have to show, I will click initialize, and then I will click play. So this is the simple is operation of a React Casper client. Suppose we have to change the color of this text. So now I will change the color of the text. So I have changed the color, and I am changing the color of this strip. Now I have changed, and it is not looking good, so I will change the face to black, like this. And now I will play again. It will show by animation. So I have made a simple demo file which have everything. I will stop the things which are here, and I will delete all. Now I will take a scroll strip, and then I will initialize solid caption 1 and then play. So it is coming on the screen. Next I will go to scroll. I will check this page, click on this page, scroll, and then select horizontal scroll, start. Now it is coming on the scroll in the screen. Now I will select clock, and then I will show on Kaspersky. So it is scroll is coming. Now I will go to logo, and logo is already here, and I will initialize the logo, and then after some time, after 2 seconds, I will play the logo. So it is logo here. Now I will go to location band, and then I will initialize location band, then I will play the location band. If it is not coming on first click, it will come on second click. Now I will go to two liner, and then I will initialize solid caption second, and then play. So it is here. Suppose we have to modify this, then I will go and click 1 2 3 4, and then update. Then update. It can be shown here. Suppose I have to change the position of logo. Go to logo, select this logo, and set the position something left, and update. So you can see inside, and suppose some more caption has to be given, like this vertical scroll 2. So I'm clicking on vertical scroll to select everything. Suppose I want to give on right side. So select all, and then I will come to the right side like this and start the vertical scroll. So it will come like this. I can pause this, I can resume this, and I can stop this. Suppose I want to change the location band picture, I want to change the font. So here in the font, Arial Unicode MS, live from Mumbai, and now on the location band I will select the play button. Now you can see it is on the, now I is not in well in within boundary, so I will expand this some and then play. Now you can see it is now okay. We can take a external picture like this from here, YouTube PNG. It is available in Kaspersky Media Player folder. I can have this one, and suppose I want to put like this, or suppose I want to put this on replace the logo. I will not put here. I will go to logo and add this screen, and then like this, and then it is in the logo, and then I will update. So it is coming here. So this is a now I can save everything in all the, I have saved everything in different pages, and when I call it comes.